Umentri rang ba ka Jelau Konrad Sangma hanin ka sngi ula penlong ya ka review meeting bat katanat ka badai kmi Halor ka Jingtwa Jong ka kenro Jong ka stadium PA Sangma Sports Complex Tura. Hadian kane ka Jingialang umentri rang ba ula pentip baya ka Jingwat bania syapang ka daw Jong kane ka Jingjia ladat ban penlong daki engineer Jong ka State Sports Council ka Jela. Katkom ka Jingwat bania kapau badai namar ka Jing pentrei ya ka indoor hall baningkong bad baar kadang ya syaprang kum joru na kadaw ka Jing jul slap ringkat ka Jing sakut Jong ka hanala kablayalam sya ka Jingtwa Jong kane ka kenro ulaong.
The retaining wall in the preliminary report that has been given to us, the specifications are as per the drawings and the entire details that have been put in, and the retaining wall has been made as per the specifications. So there is nothing wrong in the construction part. All the quality measures and all the specifications have been adhered to. And as I said, it is only because of the drainage and the leakage of the water that part was affected. But necessary measures have been taken to ensure that we stop any kind of further damage in that area.